Auscultation of the heart practicing class. Your name?
Myself, MOHAMED SAMEEH. I am going to explain about the auscultation of the heart. There are 5 points. The first point is at the fifth intercostal space. That is 1.5 centimeter inner to the surface. It is the mitral wall. And the second point is at the second intercostal space. That is an aortic valve. And opposite to that is the second intercostal space, that is located in the left side of the sternum, and it is a pulmonary valve. And the fourth point is that the xiphoid process, based on the xiphoid process, and it is a tricuspid valve. And the fifth point is at the third intercostal space, and that is an aortic valve.
Name points. Fifth point name. Botkina erba points. Fifth point. Listen. No, where? Mid clavicularis line. Fifth. 1, 2, 3. Near the sternum. Where? Near sternum.
Okay.
This. Listen.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.